So in this video we are going to discuss about the technique of a simple interrupted suturing. So I am going to suture this wound here. So for that I am using this needle with the suture material and holding this needle with the help of this needle holder. Actually I am going to pierce skin here at a distance of X centimeter from the wound edge. So I'm going to pierce the skin with a needle like this. So the needle should be held perpendicular to the skin on this side. So I'm going to start from this end. So the needle should pierce the skin perpendicularly at a distance of X centimeter from the edge. Okay. Now after piercing the skin perpendicularly, your wrist should move or supinate like this so that the needle comes out through the other end. Now gently push the skin on the other side with the help of a forceps so that the needle should pierce the skin on the other side at a distance of X centimeter from the edge. Now with the needle holder, catch hold of this suture material and gently pull so that you are getting a longer end of the suture material and a shorter limb of the suture material. Now what you do here is that you are going to place a knot here. So for placing the knot here, you are going to hold the needle holder exactly in the middle of the wound, almost parallel to the wound. Now you are holding the longer end of the suture material, placing the needle holder in the middle. Now with the longer end of the suture material, you place 2 loops over the needle holder. Now with the needle holder, you catch hold of the shorter limb of the suture material and gently pull the loop outside the needle holder and just pull the suture material towards the other side so that one knot is formed here. Now you are going to place the other knot here by holding the needle holder parallel to the wound exactly in the middle of the wound. With the longer end of the suture material, you place one loop over the needle holder. Now catch hold of the shorter limb with the help of a needle holder like this. Now you have to gently pull to the opposite side so that another knot is formed here. Now you have to hold the needle holder in the middle of the wound with the longer end of the suture material. Place one loop over the needle holder, catch hold of the shorter limb and move the hand towards the opposite side. Now this is the last knot. By holding the needle holder parallel or in the middle of the wound with the longer end, form one loop over this, catch hold of the shorter limb and gently pull the suture material towards the opposite side. Now so here we are putting square knots here. Now we are going to cut the ends here. Okay, so this is how you are going to do the technique of simple interrupted suturing. So if you are piercing the skin at a distance of X centimeter here, you are going to pierce the skin at the other side at a distance of X centimeter from the wound edge. So you have to be very careful about that. Other thing is that you should pierce the skin at a perpendicular angle.